This is a mosaic we saved from destruction in February 2024. As you're watching this video, we might be piecing it together, restoring the artwork's integrity, or perhaps we are already completed. You might not have known about this initiative, and this video might not even exist if it weren't for a decree issued in 1955 in the USSR to combat architectural excesses. If later on there hadn't been a new architectural canon in which mosaics became a key element of monumental propaganda. If pioneering artists of that era hadn't taken the opportunity to work in monumental art as a way to break free from the rigid confines of academic socialist realism. This kindergarten, located near the Aviation University in Kiev, had never been built. If the unknown artists hadn't created these two mosaic panels, each measuring 2 by 2 meters. Even though we don't know their names and can only guess how much time they spent on their work, we can see the love with which they brought the stories of Ukrainian folk tales to life in the mosaics. You wouldn't be watching this video if one day the kindergarten hadn't been sold into private ownership. If it hadn't been converted into a school with 2 floors added and the facade altered. And if one day a crane operator working on the school's renovation hadn't recognized the importance of these mosaics and realized they could be saved. If you hadn't posted on Facebook calling for people to help preserve the artworks. If no one had forwarded that post to me, and I hadn't decided that even without the proper tools, it was better to act and do what I could to help preserve them. If my brother, friend, and boyfriend hadn't agreed to help me, none of this would have happened if 2 places hadn't agreed to house the mosaic after the reconstruction. If we hadn't had the opportunity to work in the wonderful KUT artist-run space. If so many passionate people hadn't come together piece by piece to clean, assemble and restore the mosaics. These moments wouldn't exist, this situation wouldn't have unfolded, and this magic wouldn't have happened when we come together and through collective effort build a better future. You wouldn't be watching this if it weren't those who destroy and those who restore.